Total Station Surveyors is a professional surveying company located in Gurgaon, specifically in Sector 29. With expertise in using the latest technology and equipment, Total Station Surveyors provides accurate and efficient surveying services to clients in Gurgaon and the surrounding areas. Our team of experienced surveyors is well-versed in utilizing total station equipment, which allows for precise measurements and data collection. Whether it's for land development projects, construction sites, or infrastructure planning, our surveyors have the skills and knowledge to deliver reliable results. At Total Station Surveyors, we understand the importance of accurate measurements and data collection in any surveying project. That's why we rely on total station technology, which combines electronic distance measurement (EDM) and electronic theodolite capabilities. This advanced surveying instrument enables us to measure angles and distances with high precision, resulting in accurate data for our clients. Our team is trained to operate the total station equipment efficiently, ensuring that every survey is conducted with utmost accuracy and professionalism. Gurgaon Sector 29 is a thriving hub of commercial and residential developments. As such, it requires expert surveyors who are familiar with the area and its unique challenges. Total Station Surveyors has worked on numerous projects in Sector 29, ranging from topographic surveys to boundary surveys. Our knowledge of the area, combined with our expertise in using total station equipment, allows us to provide reliable and comprehensive surveying services to clients in Sector 29. One of the key factors that sets Total Station Surveyors apart from other surveying companies is our commitment to SCON design. SCON design refers to the process of creating detailed drawings and plans based on the survey data collected. A reputable surveying business called Total Station Surveyors is situated in Gurgaon, more especially in Sector 29. Total Station Surveyors offers precise and effective surveying services to clients in Gurgaon and the nearby areas because to their skill in the use of cutting-edge technology and equipment. Our staff of skilled surveyors is proficient in using total station tools, enabling accurate measurements and data collecting. Our surveyors have the training and expertise to provide accurate results for infrastructure planning, building sites, or land development projects. At Total Station Surveyors, we recognize how critical precise measurements and data collecting are to the success of any surveying project. We rely on total station technology since it combines electronic theodolite and distance measurement (EDM) capabilities. We can measure angles and distances with extreme precision thanks to our cutting-edge surveying tool, providing precise data to our clients. Every survey is carried out with the utmost accuracy and professionalism thanks to the efficient total station equipment operation skills that our team has been trained to use. Sector 29